Laura Mummy writes for help with her struggling mountain laurel. It's about 10 years old and was in beautiful bloom this spring, but now looks terrible. Well, Laura, although I can't tell for sure from these photos, it does appear from the shape of the small branches that your tree is probably not receiving enough sun. Also, there are other plants growing around the base of your mountain laurel, and the bed seems to be surrounded by a St. Augustine lawn, both of which will increase relative humidity and thus encourage insect and microbial issues on plants that prefer a drier environment. Without a change in the microclimate, your tree may continue to decline. To start, prune out any dead limbs and remove all of the surrounding plants to give the interior of the tree space for air to circulate. Mountain laurels prefer full sun, so if you can prune the canopy of any trees blocking sun from above your mountain laurel, that would also help. We love homegrown peaches, and monarch butterflies love the flowers too. This beauty's on Amy Acosta Welch's tree. In Bryan College Station, monarch caterpillars quickly decimated Brazos County Master Gardener Debbie Adkins' butterfly weed, Asclepias tuberosa. In response, she bought more and watched a monarch lay eggs on the new plants. Debbie tells us, "This is one of the coolest things to see in your garden," and we agree. Marjorie Moutz found this beautiful 3-inch silk moth near her creek. When Jennifer Kirkpatrick and her mom Starla were gifted a rose a few years ago, they fell in love with easy care roses, including these lush knockouts. They share that their secret to success is adding granite gravel to the soil to increase drainage. Now their fragrant peace rose is such a beauty that Jennifer cut just one of its many flowers to share with her grandmother. Beatriz, another rose-loving viewer, also has lots of flowers to cut on her roses that she says thrive on neglect. She also tells us that she does follow CTG's advice to prune these shrub-type roses in February. In Fayette County, a gorgeous brugmansia, also called angel's trumpet, flowers for Agnus ficus. We'd love to hear from you. Check out centraltexasgardener.org to send us your stories, questions, pictures, and videos.